welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, babies. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing small/medium size thigh length knotless braids. So I got all my hair right here. So I'm going to be putting in a little color just to spice up my knotless braids. So I have with me here Xpression 2-in-1 in the color. It's in the color 30. I bought a 3-in-1 Ghana twist in the color 1. They were out of 1B, so girl work with what them have. And this is 40 inches. And then I just bought an extra pack up here just in case. Those two don't do. So this is the what them call this? S braid or whatever them want to call this, in the color 1B, and this is 26 inches. So hopefully all this hair will do. In total, this is 6 packs of hair. Okay, so first thing, I shampooed and conditioned my hair. I did a treatment mask on my hair as well before I am doing this specific hairstyle. I will link that video down below if it's posted before this. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you. I made all of my parts already. I did the brick method and stuff. So we're gonna start. So I did the back off camera and stuff. Let me show you guys the back. So yay me. So the first thing is to unravel the braid that I made, and I detangle my hair with my denim brush, ensure that my hair is fully detangled and stuff. Then I go in with my Let's Jam extra hold and I oil. So this is the hair that I have for this section, so I'm going to part out. So what I do, I part out small pieces like this for the braid, 3 of those exact same size, and then I part out 3 extra small pieces. So these are the pieces I'm going to use to feed in to get the length that I want. So now this is the extra small piece to feed in, and I put that as well. So in all, I use 6 pieces to feed in my braid, and it gives me thigh length. So I feed in the small pieces first, 3. So now that 3 pieces are in, bring the hair around, and then I start braiding. I'm going to go for my eyelash. And I just start braiding. Let's see the one there. Start braiding. Coming all the way down. You want to ensure that you're adding the Let's Jam to the hair to blend it in with the braided hair. That's how you ensure that the braid is looking very neat and crisp. You know why your natural hair stick out of the braid, and then it'll look like you had this braid in for like a month already and you just did the hairstyle. And we don't want that. So I'm going down, I'm adding the Let's Jam to my natural hair so it can blend. And I continue braiding very tight, coming all the way down. now I'm going to start feeding in hair. so that I can get my length. And I'm using the extra small pieces now, like this. So this is how I do the feed in. So I'm going to take the hair like this. I'm going to put one piece on this side, connect it, and then take the next side over the other end like this, and then I continue braiding like that. And as you can see, it goes in seamless. I'm going to show you one more time. So you can see this, you can see this side has the length that I want, and then this side is getting short. So I'm taking my extra small piece like this. So like this. So take one side, we're here for this side, and then I take the other piece over here and I connect it together, and I continue braiding down. I realize that when you use big pieces or you use the same size and feed in, like, you will see where the hair was added in. So adding that extra small piece works best. And then I just continue braiding down. If I see this piece getting a little slim, I have one more piece left. That's why I said 6 pieces. And I'll go ahead and add the last piece because this side is getting thin, which the last extra small piece. Connect it with this side, take it over to this, and then continue braiding down. That's it. So I continue braiding down. And as you can see, like, you cannot tell where I add in any hair. Okay, so I'm going to put the black hair on this piece. So I'm going to go ahead and separate pieces. So I'm doing the same size. So small piece, three small pieces, and then 3 extra small pieces to feed in and get the desired length. So this is the extra small piece. Then I go in with my Let's Jam, and I add some to my hair. So for me, I don't want a lot of edges out, so I'm going to be putting in some of my edges in the braid. So you want some dramatic and, you know, they'll leave out more hair, but to me, no. There we go. So I'm just braiding my hair down first. Then I'm going to start feeding hair. So I grab my piece, the small piece. The way how I hook the hair, so I put the hair on my fingers like this, go like this, and then I come around and hook it on my fingers. So I do the 3 pieces, hook, put it on, and braid. Do this again. So do a hook like this, and then carry the hair around, hook it on your fingers, and then just braid. Then I take the hair around because I can't have my hand in that position there for the whole braid, you mad? And I start braiding all the way down, like so. I'm just going to braiding down, take my Let's Jam, put some on my natural hair to blend it in with the braid, like this, and then I continue braiding down. Add a little bit more of the Let's Jam because I'm coming down to the ends of my hair and I'm bending it in so that you can't see my natural hair. Now that I'm coming down, I'm going to start feeding in the extra small pieces to get the length that I want. Because if I just add the 3 pieces, the hair would basically be like right here, but I want it to come all the way down to my thighs. So I'm going to start feeding in hair. So when you're feeding in hair, right? So you got 3 pieces. So you're going to take your extra small piece. So one hair goes over your extreme left, take the other side to the 3rd piece, you start braiding. And as you can see, you cannot tell I put in any piece of hair. Braid down again. I'm going to be adding another piece. So you can see this side is getting shorter and this side is getting a little thin. So I'm grabbing my other extra small piece. I'm doing the same thing. One goes over this side, the next over this. And then just continue braiding. This side, so you guys can see. Start braiding, right? Then I start adding in these small pieces like this. Do a hook on my fingers and just slide it on my other finger and I start braiding. Do the same thing. You do like a hook to your fingers like this and then slide the hair on. Start braiding. Do the last small piece. Okay. Hook, slide the hair on, and then continue braiding. So going in the Let's Jam, and I'm putting some onto my natural hair. And don't be stingy with the product because you want the hair to look neat. So I'm going to start feeding in the extra small pieces. So, damn, I dropped the hair. Ugh, okay. So I got the piece. As you can see, I got a little color on the back. Okay. Here. Alright, ready. So I have the extra small piece. So the hair goes like this, comes all the way over and joins with this piece. And I just continue braiding down. It's a lot of hair, I ain't gonna lie. So this piece is getting very thin and short compared to these sides. So I'll go in with my second extra large piece and I do the same thing. Grip over this side with my pinky finger, take the hair over, connect it with this piece, and I start braiding. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So, see, it's getting very thin. Then I take my last extra small piece and I do the same thing. Yes, that time really did the thing. It did his thing. It did his thing. Let me move on my hair, move to it. Okay. Start feeding in these small pieces. product with my hair. It came out really nice. Like, I love it. I love the color, the ombre brown with the black going down, and it is thigh length. I love it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and tell me what you think down below. I do post videos every single Friday, so bye guys.